Alright, hey everybody, and welcome to what is certain to be one of the worst unboxing videos on YouTube. I don't want you to be disappointed when you find out that's true. So, why? Because I'm very late to the game. This is the Sony A6400, and it's brand new to me. It just arrived today, but it's not brand new to the market. So, just ordered this from B&H. I paid for it. They did not give me any discounts, and they don't know who I am, so that's just fine. And it's also going to be the worst unboxing video, because this is not my wheelhouse. So we're going to open it up here, and oh hey, look at that, a $1,000 prepaid card thing. All I have to do is register my camera for a chance to win that. You know what? I'm just going to throw that away. I'm not even going to bother blanking out that QR code. Okay, let's see. Actually, I am going to blank out that QR code. I lied. Here's some limited warranty stuff, some instruction manuals, don't know that language. About the manual for this camera, it's online. There's a QR code if you want to scan that to read the manual. Warranty, don't need to know about that because this is going to be a good camera. Finish opening the box, and we have, oh hey, we have the battery. That's always a good thing to have. And even better is easy access to the paint pen so that we can number it right off the bat. Yes, I do chew up these batteries very quickly with my Sony cameras. One thing, when you have multiple batteries for your digital camera, it's a good idea to number them, because that way if one of them starts to develop a memory, or you notice that it's not holding a charge as long, you know which number it is, and you can toss the correct battery when you realize there's an issue. Mini USB cable for the charger. The charger, it's basically a cell phone charger. A camera strap. Well, I mean, look, I sell camera straps, so probably not going to need that, but it's nice to have one anyway. The eye cup for the Viewfinder, very nice. Set that over there. Next we have what I'm assuming is going to be the camera in this white package. We'll set that off to the side for a sec. Make sure that there's nothing else in the box. It's like when you get a letter from your grandparents. For no reason, you always check the envelope to make sure you didn't accidentally leave a check in there when the letter arrived. Okay, don't need any of that stuff. Now let's take a look at the camera. And the reason I bought this camera, I already have a Sony A7S II, which I'm using, in fact, to record this. But the reason I bought this camera is because it does 4K video, and it has an APS-C sensor. And as the channel is, you know, there's going to come a point in the foreseeable future, not immediately, where I have done everything I can on this channel with camera manuals. I'll still do them forever, but instead of pumping out, 80 camera manuals a year, it'll probably scale down to about 10 in the next couple of years. So I'm going to do things like more camera lens reviews and different types of other videos that I've been doing, more all about film videos and things like that. So I found that as I want to do those things, I need to have an APS-C 4K camera so that little 35mm f1.2 lenses, or things like the Camlan 50mm f1.1, as I want to do video reviews of those, I'm 4K for the channel. I need to have a 4K APS-C sensor, and that's exactly what this is. And now I know that this just came from the factory, but I am really particular about my camera sensors. So even though this is brand new, I've never seen a camera that has cosmetics this good in my life. I'm still going to check the sensor. And it has dust on it already. Oh my gosh. Let's try and get that brush cleaned off just a little bit. Yeah, so dusty. Not really. There was like a half dozen pieces of dust. And when you think about the fact that this came from overseas, Taiwan, I think, and sat in a warehouse and got bumped around in transit, you know what? Half a dozen little pieces of dust, it's not really all that many. Okay, that done. So let's take a look at the A6400. Let me grab a battery. We'll put in number 3 because it was accessible. All right, top of the camera, looking very nice. Front of the camera, we've already seen the sensor. Bottom of the camera, we've got the flip out screen right here. Another important thing to do with my cameras is get my sticker inside of that. There we go. Now we know it's mine. Flip out screen, and there we go. Controls, and let's turn it on. There we go. So I'm going to set this up because this has a photo shoot to do in just a couple of days. Because this is significantly lighter than my A7S II, there's a really good chance I'm going to take this as my video camera up handies when I do that on Saturday. Well, Saturday for me, I'd have no idea when I'm going to get around to uploading this video. So I'm going to get this set up and tested so that I can use this as early as this weekend. Thank you everybody for watching this incredibly exciting and informative and enthralling and thrilling camera unboxing video, and I hope you were entertained and informed enough to leave a like, and if not, I apologize for all of the time you will never get back in your life. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.